and welcome to our educational channel Viral Guru NPL. Today we are going to read grade 7 English unit 2. Dear students, before we start this lesson, if you are new in our channel, please do not forget to subscribe, like and comment to our videos. Now dear students, getting started, act out the dialogue. Okay, act out the dialogue. Is dialogue को अभिनय गर्नुस्. Okay, try to speak using this word. Okay, please mom, can I use the mobile phone? कृपया mom, म मोबाइल प्रयोग गर्न सक्छु भन्छन्. No dear, you can't. It's time to go bed. यो समय अब बेडमा जाने समय हो. Okay, it means it is the time to sleep. And then may I read a story before I sleep? कि म सुत्नु भन्दा पहिले कथा पढ्न सक्छु. Sir, but try to go to sleep early. तर तिमी सबैले सुत्ने चाहिँ कोशिश गर्नु भनेर आमाले भन्छन्. And then thank you mom. धन्यवाद. This is the conversation between daughter and चाहिँ mother. Now listen and sing. I can't count food. I can't count food, but I can count fish. I can't count water, but I can count glasses. I can't count bread, but I can count slice. I can't count knowledge, but I can count subjects. How many fingers am I holding up? How much money do you have? How many people make you laugh? Okay, this is the song you can sing here. Now dear students, here is the given exercises. Answer the questions. Okay, what things in the song can you count? Okay, you can see I can't count food, I can count fish, I can't count water, okay, but I can count glasses, I can't count bread. Okay, here is the mentioned which things you can count or which things you cannot count. Okay, I can count fish, glasses, slices, subjects, fingers and people in the song. Okay, what things in the song can't you count? Okay, I can't count food, water, bread, knowledge, etc. Okay, you can mention your answer here. Now dear students, we are going to discuss about the given pre-question here. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, यहाँ केही पूर्व क्वेशनहरु दिएको छ. At first you look at the picture here, okay, and then guess the answer. Okay, reading I, look at the picture below and answer the question. What do you think the man is doing in the picture? तपाईलाई के लाग्छ यी मानिसले तस्बिरमा के गरिरहेका छन्? Okay, we can easily guess here. A person is sitting in the ground or in garden and then holding a small bird. You can see here on his hand he is holding a small bird. Okay, now you can write your answer here. I think the man is holding a small bird in the picture. Okay, I think the man is holding a small bird in the picture. एउटा सानो चरा मानिसले समय होल्डिङ गरिरहेका छन्. And then do you think the bird wants to be free? Why? तपाईलाई के लाग्छ चरा स्वतन्त्र हुन चाहन्छ? Why? चाहन्छ भने किन चाहन्छ? Okay, you can absolutely the bird wants to enjoy with the beautiful nature. Okay, it doesn't want to stay in the cage. हैन, उ चाहिँ पिंजडामा बस्न चाहन्न. हैन, you can write your answer here. I think the birds want to be free because it wants to play with beautiful nature. अथवा it wants to spend his life in with the beautiful nature. सुन्दर प्रकृतिसँग उ रमाउन चाहन्छ. Okay, this is the pre-question. These are the pre-question here. Now dear students, we are going to read the small bird wisdom. Okay, the small bird wisdom. एउटा सानो चराको बुद्धि भन्ने शीर्षकमा we are going to a story. Okay, dear students, a rich man was walking through his springtime garden and there he found a small bird caught in a net. है, एउटा धनी मानिस, एकजना धनी मानिस आफ्नो वसन्तकालीन बगैँचामा हिँडिरहेको थियो. अथवा स्प्रिङ टाइम वाकिङ हिँडिरहेको थियो. एट दैट टाइम he found a bird caught in net. He found a small bird caught in a net. अन्य उनले चरालाई कहाँ देखे त? जालीमा फसेको देखे. And then he took it in his hands, and to his surprise the small bird spoke. उनले यसलाई आफ्नो हातमा लिए र ऊ के भरे त? चरा बोलेको देखेर उनी आश्चर्यमा परे. And the set me free. चराले भन्यो, the bird said to him, set me free. मलाई के गरिदिनुस्? स्वतन्त्र छोडिदिनुस्. There is nothing I love more than my freedom. There is nothing I love more than my freedom. अब उनले के भन्छन् त? मेरो स्वतन्त्रता भन्दा बढी मैले मन पराउने केही छैन. म के भन्छु? म मेरो स्वतन्त्रतालाई मन पराउँछु भनेर उले चराले भन्छ. Why should I set you free? Why should I set you free? मैले किन तिमीलाई चाहिँ स्वतन्त्र छोड्नु पर्ने? Asked the rich man. ती धनी मान्छेले सोधे. And then I am too small to eat. I am so small to eat. म खानलाई के छु? निकै सानो छु. And then my feathers are grey. मेरा प्वाखहरू खैरा छन्. I am no pretty. म राम्रो पनि छैन. I do not sing. म गीत गाउँदिन. Please set me free. Please set me free. मलाई के गरिदिनुहोस्? खुल्ला छोडिदिनुहोस् अथवा स्वतन्त्र छोडिदिनुहोस् भनेर the bird is telling him. And then what will you give me in return for your freedom? तिम्रो स्वतन्त्रताको बदलामा तिमी मलाई के दिन्छौ? Okay, give me your freedom. तिमी मेरो चाहिँ and then he told him, I will give you 3 pieces of advice. म तपाईलाई 3 वटा सल्लाह दिन्छु. Okay, and then I will listen to your advice. म तिम्रो सल्लाह सुन्ने छु. Then I will decide whether to give you your freedom. त्यसपछि म तिम्रो निर्णयमा के दिने भन्ने निदो गर्ने छु. First, do not wish for what you can't have. पहिलो आफूलाई नभएको कुराको लागि के नगर? चाहना नगर्नुस्. And then another, the second, do not try to change what has already happened. Do not try. दोस्रो, पहिले भइसकेको कुरालाई बदल्ने प्रयास के नगर्नुस्. And then the third, do not believe in what is impossible. जो कुरा असम्भव छ त्यो कुरालाई के नगर्नुस्? विश्वास नगर्नुस्. With words indeed, said the rich man. वास्तवमा बुद्धिमान भनाइहरू धनी मान्छेले भन्यो. And then he opened his hand and the small bird flew up to the branch of the tree overhead. अब त उले के गरे त? उनले आफ्नो हात खोले अनि त्यो सानो चरा रुखमाथिको हाँगामा गएर के गर्यो? बस्यो. The rich man heard the small bird laughing. The small bird laughing. त्यो धनी मान्छेले चरा हाँस्दै गरेको के गरे त? देखे. And then small bird laughing. Now here, dear students, freedom means here स्वतन्त्र, libertary, and impossible means असम्भव. Okay, and then overhead means here टाउको माथि. Now here we are going to discuss another paragraph here. And then small bird, why do you laugh? Are you laughing at me? अब त्यो धनी मानिसले भन्छन्, why are you laughing? तिमी किन हाँसिरहेका छौ? Okay, are you laughing at me? के तिमी मतिर हाँसिरहेका छौ? अनि चराले भन्छ, yes, what you do not know is that inside me I have a diamond, the price of chicken's eggs. अब म के हुँ त? मेरो शरीरभित्र भएको तपाईले के कुरा थाहा पाउनु हुन्न? मेरो कुखुराको अण्डा आकारको के छ? कुखुरा अण्डा आकारको साइज अफ द चिकन्स एग्स. कुखुराको अण्डा आकारको मेरो भित्र हिरा छ. फर अ मोमेन्ट द रिच म्यान कुड नट स्पिक. त्यस पछाडि ती धनी मानिस केही पनि बोल्न सकेनन्। His eyes grew dark. उका आँखाहरू, rich man's eyes grew dark. ती धनी मानिसका आँखाहरू के भए त? आँखाहरू गाढा भए। His heart stopped beating. उसको धड्कन के गर्न थाल्यो? ढकढक गर्न थाल्यो। He could hardly catch his breath. हैन, उसले मुस्किलले आफ्नो सास फेर्न सक्यो। Finally, अन्त्यतः he said, small bird, come back to me, come back to me. उसले भन्यो, सानो चरा तिमी फेरि मसँग आऊ। Now it is spring time and all is well. Soon summer will come and go. के गर्नेछ त? Summer will come and go, but then winter will come and it will be cold. अहिले बसन्तको समय हो र समय राम्रो छ। छिट्टै गर्मी आउने छ र जाने छ, तर त्यसपछि के गर्नेछ त? हिउँद आउने छ, चिसो याम सुरु हुनेछ। And then it will be cold, र चिसो हुनेछ। You will be hungry, तिमी भोकाउने छौ। The snow will be deep and you will have nothing to eat. के हुनेछ? गहिरो हिउँ पर्नेछ र त्यति बेला तिमीसँग खानको लागि केही कुरा हुने छैन भनेर चाहिँ a rich man saying to him, you will starve to death in the cold. तिमी के गर्नेछौ? चिसो याममा तिमी चाहिँ starve, भोकमारीमा पर्नेछौ। And then तिमी death in the cold, तिमी मर्नेछौ। Come back to me and I will look after you. तिमी के गर? म कहाँ आऊ, म तिम्रो के गर्नेछु? Look after you, म तिम्रो हेरचाह गर्नेछु। I will keep you warm and feed you through the long winter. म तपाईलाई न्यानोसँग राख्नेछु र लामो त्यो हिउँदमा म तपाईलाई के गर्नेछु? खुवाउने छु। फिर through the long winter, the rich man held out his open hand to the bird, but the bird just laughed. तर उसले के गर्यो? खुल्ला हात छोडेर उसलाई आऊ भन्यो, तर चाहिँ चरा के गर्यो? उसको त्यो देखेर but the bird just laughed. अनि धनी मान्छेले चरालाई आऊ भनेर खुल्ला हात फिजायो, तर चरा के गर्यो? उसलाई देखेर हाँस्यो। Are you still laughing at me? के अझै म माथि हाँसिरहेका छौ? Are you still laughing me? Yes, you are like all men. You are like all men. तिमी सबै मान्छेहरू जस्तै हुनुहुन्छ। So soon you have forgotten my advice. है, forgotten my advice. यदि छिट्टै तपाईले मेरो सल्लाह बिर्सिनु भएको छ। And then do not wish for what you cannot have. You cannot have for the nothing. I have more than my freedom. तपाईसँग नभएको कुराको किन गर्नुस्? चाहना नगर्नुस्। You cannot have me. तिमी अब मलाई प्राप्त गर्न सक्दैनौ। The three is nothing. I have love more than my freedom. मेरो स्वतन्त्रता भन्दा म अरु कसैलाई पनि माया गर्दिन। Do not try to change what has already happened. जुन कुरा पहिले भइसकेको छ त्यो कुरालाई परिवर्तन गर्न नखोज्नुस्। You have already set me free. तपाईले मलाई पहिले नै स्वतन्त्र छोडिदिसक्नु भएको छ। And you cannot change this. र तपाई यसलाई परिवर्तन गर्न सक्नुहुन्न। Do not believe in what is impossible. जुन कुरा असम्भव छ त्यो कुरामा विश्वास नगर्नुस्। How it be possible for a small bird like me to have a diamond the size of the chicken's egg inside? यो कसरी सम्भव हुन सक्छ? म जस्तो सानो चराको भित्र चल्लाको अन्डा जतिकै हीरा छ भनेर। And laughing the small bird flew away. र अनि चरा के गर्छ त? उसलाई देखेर हाँस्छ अनि flew away, उ टाढासम्म भाग्छ। Source storytelling with our students. This is all about the story here, dear students. Here is diamond means hira, okay, and then beating means ढक ढक गर्दै, starve means भोक भोकै अथवा भोकमारी, and then forgotten means बिर्सेको अथवा बिर्सिएको। Dear students, this is all about the story here. Now we are going to do the exercise here. Exercise A. Write the words from the text which have the following meaning. The first letter of each word has been given. यहाँ के गरिएको छ? तलका वाक्यांशको अर्थलाई के गर्नुस्? एक शब्दमा लेख्नुस् र पहिलो अक्षर के गरेको छ? यहाँ दिएको छ। Now here, dear students, they cannot be done, that cannot be done, जुन कुरा गर्न सकिदैन, it is impossible. Okay, and then above your head in the sky, okay, in the sky, तिम्रो टाउको माथि भयो भने के होला, it is overhead, and then the power of right to do something, okay, the power or right to do something, this is freedom. A series of regular hits of the something such as your heart, okay, regular hits of something such as your heart, हैन, तिम्रो मुटु जस्तै धड्किनु, beating, and to suffer or die because you do not have enough to eat, okay, to suffer die because you do not have enough to food, है, खानको लागि तिमीसँग खाना छैन, हैन, you are near to die, तपाई मर्न तयार हुनुहुन्छ भनेपछि this is starve, हैन, भोकमारी. A clear precious stone, the hardest substance, हैन, सबैभन्दा एउटा कडा वस्तु, त्यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं, प्रेसियस, एकदम मूल्यवान ढुङ्गा, it is called diamond, okay, यसलाई हामी हीरा भन्छौं. Now here dear students, we are going to discuss the exercise B here. Complete the following sentences with the words from the previous tasks, हैन, हामीले जुन अगाडिको टास्क गरौं ती शब्दहरुलाई यहाँ छनौट गरेर भर्नुस् भनेको छ. She is doubted herself to try to lose weight, okay, she is starving, okay, this ing you have to remove from here. She is starving herself to try to lose weight. I find it doubted to lie to her, okay, I find it impossible to lie to her, okay. Planes flew doubted constantly, planes flew doubted constantly, it means overhead. Gold is less expensive than diamond, okay, diamond भन्दा के हुन्छ, सुन चाहिँ कम हुन्छ. I have been running for an hour, my heart is faster, my heart is, I have been running for 1 hour, म 1 घण्टादेखि दौडिरहेको छु, my heart is faster, it means beating faster. And then everyone has the right to doubt of education, okay, everyone has the right to freedom of education. Now here dear students, we are going to discuss the exercise C here. Read the story again and write true or false for the following statement. तलका भनाइहरू सही या गलत के हुन् छुट्याउनुस् भनेको छ. The man held the bird in his hand, okay, the bird held the birds in his hand, मानिसले चरोलाई आफ्नो हातमा समायो, yes, this is true. And the bird said that it enjoying being caught in the net, the bird said that it is enjoyed being caught in the net, उ नेटमा चाहिँ फस्दा उ के गरेको थियो, आनन्द लिइरहेको थियो, yes, it is false, not enjoying. The birds wants to set free. The birds suggestion were wish, the birds suggestion were wish, हैन, उसका चाहिँ सुझावहरू के थिए, बुद्धिमान थिए, yes, true. And then another D, the bird really had a diamond inside it, okay, उसँग वास्तवमै भित्र डायमन्ड थियो, no, the bird was lying to the rich man, it is false. And then the man believed that the bird had a diamond, yes, the man believed to the bird. And then last one is here, the bird was happy to be free, चरा स्वतन्त्र हुन पाएकोमा के थियो, खुशी थियो, it is true. Now here dear students, we are going to the last exercise, going to do, read the story again and put the following sentences in the correct order. विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु, यहाँ पाठको आधारमा कुन पहिले आउँछ, कुन दोस्रोमा आउँछ र कुन तेस्रोमा आउँछ, यसरी पाठको आधारमा, टेस्टको आधारमा हामी यसलाई फर्स्ट सेकेन्ड थर्डमा राख्छौँ ओके बिफोर सलाम विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरू यहाँहरू हाम्रो च्यानलमा पहिलो हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया हाम्रो च्यानललाई लाइक सब्स्क्राइब र कमेन्ट गर्न कन्साई नगरिदिनु होला यहाँहरूको लाइक कमेन्ट र सब्स्क्राइब नै हाम्रो प्रोत्साहनको केन्द्रबिन्दु हो त्यसकारण कृपया एक लाइक एक शेयर र एक कमेन्ट छोडिदिनु होला यहाँहरूलाई जस्तो लाग्यो उस्तै प्रतिक्रिया दिनका लागि हाम्रो टिप्पणी बक्स कमेन्ट बक्स सधैँ खुला नै छ डियर स्टुडेन्ट्स नाउ हियर we are going to rearrange the we are going to put the correct order the following sentences okay now here dear students you have to read again the test and which one is first and second third fourth okay को पहिले हो को दोस्रो आउँछ टेस्टको आधारमा हामीले के गर्छौं त यिनीहरुलाई क्रमशः 1 2 3 4 गर्दै राख्ने हो विद्यार्थी भाइ बहिनीहरु मैले अगाडि पनि भने यहाँहरुले फेरि पनि पाठलाई पढ्न आवश्यक छ किनभने कुन कुरा which one happened in the first okay now here first one is here a man saw a bird caught in a net okay मानिसले के गर्यो त्यो चरोलाई जालीमा फसेको देख्यो and then second one the small bird talked to the man अनि चाहिँ त्यो सानो चराले त्यो मानिससँग कुरा गर्यो and then third one is here the small bird gave him 3 suggestions तीनवटा सुझावहरु उसले दियो the man set the bird free अनि चरोलाई उले के गर्यो स्वतन्त्र छोडिदियो and then the man suggested the bird to come back to him अनि फेरि उले चाहिँ पुनः आउन भनेर चाहिँ अनुरोध गर्यो हैन मानिसले त्यो चरालाई फेरि फिर्ता आउन अनुरोध गर्यो and the bird laughed for the man third time and flew away अनि तेस्रो पटक चरा उ मानिसलाई प्रति हाँस्यो र त्यहाँबाट उठ्यो this is all about the unit 2 dear students if you are new in our channel please do not forget subscribe like and comment to our videos okay I will present with you next video म फेरि यहाँहरुमाझ अर्को भिडियोको साथ उपस्थित हुने छु यहाँहरुका समस्याहरु कहाँ के रहेका छन् यी समस्याहरुको बारेमा यहाँहरुले टिप्पणी बक्समा टिप्पणी गरिदिनु भयो भने यहाँहरुका समस्याको समाधान गर्ने कोशिश मैले गर्ने छु Have a great time, have a great day, have a nice day. I will see you with the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.